Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't know, so we're trying this out. Okay, so I hope I'm heard. So hello guys, I hope everyone can hear me loud and clear. Ah, and there's this too. I don't know. Let's try it out. Okay, take this off. And am I spoiling something? It's quite tight. I don't know. Okay, this would be for some other day. This stuff. So I bought a microphone for my videos. I hope my sound is clear. And what I wanted to say is that I bought new stuff from Amazon. The microphone that included the selfie stick, the ring light that is up here. So we are good to go. Love you guys. I hope it works. Love you guys.